Alright, let's talk about the perfect economic cocktail shaking up markets right now. A falling US dollar, Trump's massive $4.5 trillion big beautiful bill, and what it all means for Bitcoin, gold, and silver. First, the macro forces. When the US dollar drops, anything priced in dollars gets a boost. Kind of like an automatic upgrade. Trillion-dollar deficits fuel inflation fears, which makes people run for hedges. When the government prints money, real yields go down, so cash starts searching for better returns elsewhere. Add political uncertainty on top, and safe havens become even more attractive. Let's break it down asset by asset, starting with Bitcoin. Think of Bitcoin as digital scarcity during a fiat storm. When the dollar falls and the US racks up more debt, the Bitcoin narrative gets stronger. Trillions in new spending means more inflation and more national debt, exactly what Bitcoin was built to resist. If Trump pushes for a strategic Bitcoin reserve, that's even more legitimacy. But let's be real. Bitcoin is still super volatile. Expect wild moves, especially if the government or regulators throw a curveball. But for the medium and long term, the upside is huge. Like crypto strategist Alex Kruger says, every trillion of new debt is an ad for Bitcoin. Now, gold. It's the classic safe haven on steroids, thanks to a weaker dollar and big government spending. Gold is your shield against inflation, currency erosion, and geopolitical chaos. Sure, it might not have the explosive momentum of Bitcoin, but it comes with stability and a long track record. If interest rates spike, gold could cool off for a bit, but overall, the trend is up. Then there's silver, the high beta metal. It moves like gold, but with extra energy. Silver benefits not just from safe haven demand, but also industrial uses like clean tech and solar. A weaker dollar and more spending usually mean more economic activity, and that's good news for silver. But fair warning, if the economy slows down, silver will feel the pain faster than gold. Here's the quick side-by-side. Bitcoin has the potential for explosive upside. Gold is your steady climber, and silver is your wild card with higher risk, and potentially higher rewards. So, what's the play? If the dollar keeps sliding and Trump's big bill passes, lean into Bitcoin if you're up for volatility, lean on gold for defense, and reach for silver if you want leverage. Remember, none of this is advice, just the lay of the land. The ball's in your court. Stay sharp and invest smart.